Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best iPhone cases on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Pelican Shield Kevlar. Maybe you work outdoors, go camping frequently, or are simply a bit clumsier than most. Some of the best protection you can get for your iPhone comes from Pelican Shield Kevlar series cases. Though they're a little pricey and admittedly bulky, that's how they safeguard your phone from up to 21-foot drops. The 5mm raised bumper provides shock-absorbing safety for the rear camera lens array as well as the handset as a whole. Plus the secure edges and dust-proof cover keep all unwanted debris out. Number 2. Casemate Blocks iPhone 15 Pro Case. If you're looking for a bold, eye-catching case that has tons of personality, Casemate has a ton of great options to consider. Its iPhone 15 series has glittery cases, prismatic covers, and everything in between. But the one that stuck out most to me is the Blocks line. These cases have squared-off corners that give your iPhone a modern, blocky look. Combine that with their bright neon colors, and you'll likely never have to ask your friends where your phone is again. You won't miss it. Number 3. Smartish iPhone 15 Slim Case. We've recommended Smartish cases in the past for their artistic designs, but we particularly like the Gripmunk series for the latest iPhones. These thin cases are a bit rougher around the edges than Spiggin's cases. Literally, Gripmunk covers have textured edges that make them easier to grip and less likely to slip out of your hands, while the backs of the cases show off cute patterns and designs like floral arrays, cosmic scenes, and more. There are a few solid color options too, if you want to go the true basic route, no shame. And these are all MagSafe cases as well. If you're a minimalist and don't like to carry a lot on your person, you could ditch your billfold and spring for Smartish's Wallet Slaya, a card holder case that has similarly textured edges along with a sleeve on the back. This wallet case can hold up to 3 credit cards and a few notes of cash. Number 4. Spigen Magnetic Ultra Hybrid iPhone 15 Case. If you want a basic, protective case that comes at an affordable price, Spigen has you covered. The company's Ultra Hybrid MagFit clear cases show off the color of your iPhone, and we like their raised bezels that protect the rear camera. The cases also have tactical buttons on the side that make it easy to feel around and adjust your phone's volume without even looking at it. The overall slim profile of the polycarbonate case allows it to snap to your iPhone without adding too much bulk, and it's MagSafe compatible as well, so wireless charging is easy. Also, the Ultra Hybrid case was one of the most secure we tried, to the point where it was almost difficult to extricate the iPhone when we needed to test out a new phone cover. And while they normally go for around $45, you can often find them on sale for $25 to $30. Number 5. Cyril Karjuk Mag iPhone 15 Pro Case. Cyril, the purveyor of exquisite smartphone cases, unveils another masterpiece in the form of the Karjuk Mag. Prepare to be captivated by a case that effortlessly melds form with function. The Karjuk Mag, true to Cyril's design ethos, stands as one of the most svelte and feather-light cases on the market. Yet, beneath its slim silhouette lies a formidable 4-layer fortress of protection. To begin, a gentle embrace of soft microfiber lining cradles your device, caressing it with tender care. The robust polycarbonate (PC) backplate stands as the second bastion, providing a resilient shield against the rigors of daily life. TPU bumpers, the unsung heroes of this ensemble, discreetly add impact resistance, ensuring your iPhone remains unscathed. The vegan leather exterior, the PC resistance, lends an air of sophistication and eco-consciousness to your device. While Cyril refrains from boasting specific drop protection levels, the Karjuk Mag serves as the guardian angel between your iPhone and unforgiving concrete. Prioritizing aesthetics and case design, this case caters to the discerning user who seeks both style and substance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.